Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fitria Rahma Khairunisa. You can call me Fitri. I'm from 10 Science 3. And now I will tell you about Ki Hajar Dewantoro's biography. Okay, Raden Mas Suardi Surjaningrat was born in Yogyakarta on May 2nd, 1889. He came from Pakualaman family, the son of Gusti Pangeran Haryo Surjadiningrat, grandson of Pakualaman III, and grew up in a family of Yogyakarta Kingdom. Then, in 1922, when he was 40 years old, according to the Count of Cakayir, Raden Mas Suardi Surjaningrat changed his name to Ki Hajar Dewantoro. Since that time, he was no longer using a knighthood in front of his name. Based on the Indonesian spelling in since 1972, its name is misspelled as Ki Hajar Dewantoro. Ki Hajar Dewantoro ever studied at Europa's Leger School, ELS, at the Dutch colonial era. It is an elementary school in Indonesia. After graduating from ELS, then he went to Stovia Bumiputra Medical School as a school for the education of indigenous doctors in Batavia in the Dutch colonial era. This time, it became the Faculty of Medicine, University of Indonesia. Although he did not complete his education because of illness. Ki Hajar Dewantoro worked as a writer and journalist in various newspapers such as Cahaya Timur, Maidan Java, The Express, Sedio Utomo, Kaum Muda, Pusera, and Autusan Indis. His writing is very communicative and brave with anti-colonial spirit. Besides work as a writer, he is also active in social and political organizations. Since 1908, the beginning of the Budi Utomo, he was active in the propaganda section to socialist and Indonesian public awareness about the importance of a sense of unity in the nation. Not only that, it turns Ki Hajar Dewantoro also known as a prominent pioneer of education for the native of Indonesia from the Dutch colonial era. In fact, he managed to establish a school of the National University Student Park, or National Institute of Taman Siswa, under which, on 3rd of July 1922. At first, the Dutch colonial government attempted to deter his plan. Dutch government issued a wild school ordinance on 1st of October 1932. However, because of his persistence and struggle, the ordinance was finally lifted. The college emphasizes a sense of nationality to indigenous education so that they love the nation and homeland and fight for independence. Ki Hajar Dewantoro has been appointed a Minister of Teaching Indonesian referred to as the Minister of Education, Teaching and Culture in the Cabinet of the First Republic of Indonesia. For his service pioneered education in Indonesia, in 1957 he received an honorary doctorate, Doctor Honoris Causa, Dr. H.C. of the University of Gadjah Mada, UGM. Finally, he was declared as Father of National Education of Indonesia, as well as his birthday date serves as National Education Day. Ki Hajar Dewantoro died on 76 of April 1959 in Yogyakarta. He gave the example of and motivation to young people to keep passion in learning about science. One of the motivational words of Ki Hajar Dewantoro, which until now still inherent in minds of all of us, namely Tutwuri Handayani. Ing ngarso sungtolodo, ing madya mangun karso, Tutwuri Handayani. Thank you for your attention. I'm Fitri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.